Hello, my name is Andy, and I am in 4th grade, 10 years old. And today my project is the name of the project is Andy GS Backhoe Project. And the electronics I use is a button, a resistor, cables, and a motor. Yeah, motor. And this is all the code you needed for this thing. This is all the code you needed for this to work. This is how it works. What is it? As you can see, if I push this button, it just moves like this. And if I push this button, and it will move like this. What? Nope. Any questions?
Oh, what time is it?
Why do you
Austin.
ask these questions?
Okay, if you, what's your favorite part about your project?
My favorite part is this motor over here.
Don't leave a like.
What's your least favorite part?
My least favorite part is that code.
Any other questions? Okay, that's it. Good job, buddy.
Remember to
Don't leave a like.